Hey guys, what's going on? My name's Evan Crow and this is Red River How To. In today's episode, we're going to be diving into this 2021 Ford Expedition Limited. If there's one thing I know about Ford Expeditions, it's that it's the perfect family vehicle for every family. This vehicle can comfortably and spaciously fit 7 people. And with a family vehicle, you expect the most modern and best technology possible. Well, Ford really outdid themselves once again with this vehicle, and I bet there's a few things you didn't know you wanted. Let me give you a look. What I really wanted to show you guys today is the Ford Power Folding Seats. Everybody knows that a family vehicle needs to have ease of access for loading the kids and getting the groceries in the back. So, Ford really took that into consideration and came up with this idea. All it takes is one push of a button to lower every seat in the back. Or if you only want to lower one seat, you can do it individually. Say, I want to lower the left side on the second row. One push of a button and there it goes. Now you see why everyone's driving Ford Expeditions. Now it's your turn to get this one for yourself. You can check this vehicle out online at cabotford.com, or you can give us a call at 501-843-3536. And if you've liked this video, feel free to give us a thumbs up. And for Red River How To, I'm Evan Crow. We'll see you guys in the next one.